Sikitlah. Another. Okay, good evening everyone. Namaskar. Okay, shall we start? Okay, all right. Okay, go to your mat, sit up straight, close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Keep your spine straight, relax your facial muscles, relax your shoulder muscles. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Be here, be at the present moment, embrace each and every part of your body. If there's any thoughts in your mind, just be aware of it. Do not get engaged to any of your thoughts. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly open your eyes and stretch out your legs. Keep your spine straight, hands at the side. Now slowly inhale, squeeze your toes forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale, squeeze your toes forward. Exhale towards your body. Now inhale, bend your ankle. Exhale towards your body. Inhale, bend your ankle. Exhale towards your body. Legs apart, toes pointing to each other. Inhale down to the side. Exhale up to the center. Inhale down to the side. Exhale up to the center. Now inhale upwards. Exhale all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale all the way down. Legs together, hands on the knee. Now inhale, lift up the heels. Knee engagement, exhale, come down. Once again, inhale, lift up. Exhale, come down. Now bring both of your toes together. Move your knee up and down, Titilyasana, butterfly. Move as fast as you can. Now inhale, head up. Exhale, you elongate your spine, you go down, reach your toe. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale once again, go down. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Stretch out your legs. Bend your right knee. Interlock below. Left leg, keep it engaged. Inhale, up. Straight knee. Exhale, left. Inhale, up. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Straight knee. Exhale on your thigh. Now you massage your soul up to your knee. Keep your spine straight. Leg engaged. Now right hand on the right knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Release, hip rotation. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Release. Now for your left. Interlock. Knee straight. Inhale, up. Straight knee. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Exhale, left. Inhale, up. Exhale on your thigh. Now you massage your sole up to your knee. Left hand on the left knee. Inhale, push your knee down. Exhale, up. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Release, hip rotation. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Release. Right leg over left leg. Pull in, seated position. Stretch out your fingers. Inhale, up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale up, bend your thumb and your fingers clockwise, wrist rotation. Anti-clockwise. Now bring your thumb to your shoulder, elbows together. Inhale up. Interlock. Exhale, look up. Inhale, you drop down to the front. Exhale all the way back. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Once again, inhale up. Interlock at the back. Exhale, look up. Inhale, you drop down to the front. Exhale, go all the way back. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Release. Now for your neck. Inhale up. Exhale center. Inhale down. Exhale center. Inhale right. Exhale center. Inhale left. Exhale center. Tilt your neck to your right. Exhale center. To your left you tilt. Exhale center. Last part, eyeball exercise. Interlock your fingers. Thumb facing up. Only move your eyeballs. Inhale up. Exhale center. Inhale down. Exhale center. Inhale right. Bend your right elbow. Exhale center. Inhale left. Bend your left elbow. Exhale center. Inhale to the tip of your nose. Gaze at your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the center. To the space in between your eyebrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the center and release. All right, we are done with joint exercise. Come, let's do Hatha Surya Namaskar. Okay, come to the front of your mat. Okay, legs apart according to your hip width. Gayatri, you follow them. You have to stand up. Legs apart according to your hip width. Hands on Namaskar Mudra. Or you can stand straight, close your eyes. Okay, tell yourself that this practice is all for yourself, for your happiness, inner peace, good health, good wealth, and great wisdom. Through the practice of yoga, you'll spread love, light, positivity, harmony, good thoughts, good deeds to yourself, to your family, and to all those around you. Before we start our practice today, thank the universe, thank the Mother Nature, thank the Gurus, Yogis, Mahants, and Rishis. Thank yourself, thank your teacher, thank your fellow practitioner, thank each and every part of your body from your head to your toe for giving you the time, the strength, the opportunity, and the ability to practice yoga today. Inhale, exhale, slowly open your eyes. Inhale, sideways up to the center of your chest. Inhale all the way to the back. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Follow instruction. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Sing. Okay, Pawan is okay. Knee straight. Spread out your fingers. Ears align with your shoulder. Yes. Gayatri, try to bring your knee straight. No, பின்னாடி கொண்டு போங்க knee அப்பதான் straight ஆகும். Yes, knee straight. Yes. 3, 4, 5. Knee down, chest down, and chin down. Hold your breath. Now inhale, cobra, come up to your navel. Exhale, child, sit on your hips. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Now breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open, look up. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knees straight. Inhale all the way up to the back. Yes. Exhale all the way down. Leg back. Exhale, mountain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes. Breathe. 1, knees straight. Knees, open up your leg. See, your leg is closed. You must open up. 1, 2. கை கொஞ்சம் முன்னு கொண்டு வரணும். See, you are hunching. 3, 4, and 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open, look up. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knees straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Hold your breath. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Open and look up. Yes. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knees straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Gayatri, okay. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. 1. Kumudini, bring your leg forward here. Kaal munnu kondu vaanga, Kumudini. Yes. Kaal close a bit, your leg. Leg close a bit, yes. Close. Okay. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Look up, yes. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Gayatri, you follow here. You can see the screen, right? You can follow the screen. Okay, it's okay, do as much as you can. 1, 2, make sure your knees are straight. Ponies, you are too close, your body is too close, you can't do like that. கால் இன்னும் பின்னாடி எடுத்து போனா கை இன்னும் கொண்டு வரணும். That's why you need mat. Right leg forward, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knee straight, inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down, left leg back, inhale, open. Left leg back. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Bring your knee down, chest. Gayatri, you have to bring your chest forward some more. You're too close with your leg. Chest munnuku eduthu ponom. Can you see? You have to bring chest some more forward. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes, now you breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knees straight. Inhale all the way up, exhale all the way down, right leg back, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, knee down, chest down, chin down, inhale, cobra, exhale, child, inhale, cat, exhale, mountain. Right leg forward, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knee straight, inhale all the way up, exhale all the way down, left leg back, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Gayatri, follow slowly. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra, exhale, child, inhale, cat, exhale, mountain. Left leg forward, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knee straight, inhale all the way up, exhale all the way down, right leg back, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down, inhale, cobra, exhale, child, inhale, cat, exhale, mountain. Right leg forward, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knee straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down, left leg back, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down, inhale, cobra, exhale, child, inhale, cat, exhale, mountain. Left leg forward, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knees straight. Inhale, all. Exhale to the center of your chest. Okay, Ashtanga, Surya Namaskar, A. Tuck in your shirt. Let it do slowly. This one, just see first. You don't have to do. First, dinala, just see this one first. Okay, come. Legs together. Roll up your chest. Samastitihi position. Inhale, sideways up. Paathukonga. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees. Jump out, Chaturanga, exhale. Okay, those who can't jump, it's okay. Bring your right leg back, left leg back. You go down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now you breathe. 1. Push your chest inside. 2. Pone kaalu pinnadi kondu ponom. 3. Kai minnu kondu varanum. 4. Anisilla, bring your leg forward. Is 2 back. Romba pinnadi irukku. Push your chest inside. 5. Look up slightly, bend your knee, jump in, knee straight. Yes, inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, sideways, up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Yes. Inhale, up, sideways. Exhale all the way down. Gayatri, you can try if you wanna. Inhale, head up, bend your knees, jump out, chaturanga, exhale. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Breathe now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees and jump in. Knee straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Good. Third one. Inhale, up, sideways. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up, bend your knees, jump out, chaturanga, exhale. Yes, Shalu, go. Good. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now you breathe. 1. Deep inhalation and exhalation through your nostril only. 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knees and jump in. Knees straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. 4th round. Inhale, up, sideways. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees. Jump out, chaturanga, exhale. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees, jump in, knee straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Last round. Inhale, up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, jump out, chaturanga, exhale. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now you breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look up slightly. Bend your knees. Jump in. Knees straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Done. Wipe your face. Drink. Okay, as I promised yesterday, I will be talking about reading. ஏன்னா நேற்று வந்து டாக்டர் ஏபிஜே அப்துல் கலாமோட நினைவு நாள். So I told that I will share something about reading. So today I have some books that I've actually read, and I mean some books, like 2 books that I've actually going to finish, and one is about to start. Okay, I didn't have time to start. Okay, one is ஒன்னு வந்து இது. Okay, The Tree of Yogaன்னு சொல்லிட்டு BKS ஐயங்காரோட. Okay, if you know who's BKS Iyengar, most of you know who's BKS Iyengar. He's one of Krishnamacharya student BKS Iyengar, teacher for PNS Iyengar and teacher actually BKS Iyengar, and Patabi Joyish actually studied together. Okay, and then comes BNS Iyengar. Okay, he actually wrote a book about. If you see, there won't be a lot of quotes on BNS Iyengar. And BKS Iyengar, he have actually wrote a lot of books and also he explained in the 8 limbs of yoga. Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratihara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. Okay, he have actually spoke about all this in this book, and also how he actually, how we can actually relate life with all the limbs that he have actually explained. In Krishnamacharya Patanjali explain பண்ணிருப்பாரு இந்த ஆசனா யமாஸ் நியமாஸ் அதெல்லாம் எப்படி லைஃப் கூட ரிலேட் பண்றதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு தான் இந்த ட்ரீ ஆஃப் யோகான்னு சொல்லிட்டு. Okay, this is one. Okay, Tasha have shared with me also yesterday the book that she's reading. Okay, I will actually explain how you can continue reading without stopping. Okay, another one is autobiography by Yogi. Okay, this one I've just started. I've not really into it, but yeah. இது வந்து, if you know him, he is from Paramahansa Yogananda. Okay, he talks about mostly about Kriya Yoga, பத்தி ரொம்ப பேசிருப்பாரு, Kriya Yoga, and on self-respect, on calmness and stuff like that. He have spoken a lot of that in this book actually. Kriya Yoga, about life. Okay, okay, இது வந்து இந்த காப்பி வந்து I have a soft copy. I will send to you. Group la anupuren. I have a soft copy of this. Okay, you can read. Another one, a book that I want to start and I have not started yet is this one. This is a book suggested by my husband, which whereby I start, then I stop, I start and then I stop. This is called 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma. One of the best-selling book of his. After one of his best-selling is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. If anyone have came across of this book. Okay, adukapram vandu idu. Okay, அவர் நிறைய book எழுதிருக்காரு Robin Sharma. You can actually Google about him. Okay, this book is actually waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning and doing your routine. Okay, அதுதான் இந்த book. Okay, synopsis நான் படிச்சிட்டேன். So இந்த book full-ஆ இன்னும் படிக்கல. Okay, it's about how you can actually wake up at 5 AM in the morning and do all your other works before you start your normal routine of life. Okay, which leads you to a better life, betterment and positivity, so many things. Okay, all okay. Okay, this is like 3 books. There's a lot of books I've shared in my Instagram also. Like there's a column, if you see my highlight, there's one in written as read நினைக்கிறேன். My reads are read and tell. Okay, I've shared, I think about last week I shared a lot of books that I've read, and I think some of my followers also actually shared, some of you also actually shared the books that you like, that you are reading and you have finished reading. Okay, you can actually share with, okay, see, if you have started a book, let's say, let's just take any book, like yesterday I said fiction, another novels, something like this. Okay, this is what I was mentioning. You study about life, study about see why I don't really suggest novel is novels. Yes, when we were teenagers we love to read novels and stuff like that, but then the it actually doesn't bring any value to our life, right? That's the fiction. Okay, that's the created story. It's fiction. It's nice to read about love, about horror, so many things. Okay, it's okay to read. But it doesn't bring any core value in your life. If you read this kind of books, it's definitely bring you core value, because only if you want to read about yoga, you will learn more. Okay, yeah, நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி ஆசனா செய்றோம், ஏன் breathing பண்றோம், ஏன் ரைட், because ஏன் நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் எப்போதும் ரைட் சைடுல தான் நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றோம், ஏன் ரைட் சைடுல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றோம், ஏன் நம்ம லெஃப்ட் சைடுல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண மாட்டோம். Okay, yes, if you see there's certain lineage that's starting from left lane start பண்ணுவாங்க. Okay, if you see a lot of westerners, they will be starting from left, but we don't. Okay, if you read a lot of scriptures na this kind of books, you will learn more on why this, a lot of why questions will be answered. Okay, novel la adu illa. Okay, that is the main reason. And if you read like this kind of motivational book, if you're down and if you think that you need something, you want to achieve something, and definitely novel would not help. Okay, because அது வந்து இது கையாளன்மை தானே, கையாளன் புத்தல் தானே நோய் வருது, கரெக்டா சொல்றேன்னா? Okay, it's like imagination, it's just the imagination. Okay, if you, this kind of books gives you value in your life. So this is why this is what I want to emphasize yesterday, and I'm emphasizing today also. Okay, Abdul Kalam, I wrote a quote, every day at least spend 1 hour for reading. Okay, if you can't start with 1 hour, it's okay, start with 30 minutes at least. Okay, before sleep or whenever you can, during lunchtime. Okay, whenever you can, because most of you are working from home, some of you are going for office, definitely you can't go out. So after your lunchtime, at least spend 30 minutes, if can 1 hour. Okay, maybe 30 minutes during lunchtime and 30 minutes after you come back before you sleep. Okay, spend 1 hour for reading. And in few years, this is said by Abdul Kalam, நீங்க ஒரு 1 hour spend பண்ணீங்கன்னா ரீடிங்க்கு, in few years you will be a bunch of knowledge, like a knowledge center ஆயிருவீங்க நீங்க. Okay, because you have read a lot, if people ask, you will actually, you can answer a lot of questions, you know how to communicate. There's a lot of factors that actually involves in reading. நீங்க நிறைய பேசலாம், உங்களுக்கு நிறைய விஷயம் தெரியும், you can communicate a lot and stuff like that. Okay, are we okay? This is what I want to speak about today, which is Tangung Gandari Malaman. Tangu பண்ணிட்டேன் நெத்துள்ளது. Okay, I will send. I think I've sent to Shalu. Shalu, I've sent to you, right? Autobiography by Yogi. I will send in the group the soft copy. If you want, you can try to read. It's actually very, very good to start off with. Okay, it's very simple, simple language. ரொம்ப complicated எல்லாம் இருக்காது. Okay, try to find books that is actually simple for you to understand. Okay, like this book is actually quite very simple, quite simple. It's actually very simple. It's very straightforward. Okay, okay. Oh shit. Okay, very straightforward. Another thing, BKS have mentioned in this book is, okay, இது சொந்தோ சொல்றேன், இத சொல்லிருக்காரு, நான் சொல்றேன். Okay, நீங்க தான் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்ணணும். Okay, இந்த ஆசனாவும் சரி, இந்த ரீடிங்கும் சரி, நான் எவ்வளவு வேணாலும் சொல்லலாம். Okay, நீங்க இப்படி செய்யுங்க, நீங்க அப்படி செய்யுங்க, okay, நீங்க இது படிங்க, அது படிங்க. ஆனா the moment you experience yourself about reading ஆகுது சரி, இந்த ப்ராக்டிஸ் எவ்ரிடே ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணதா சரி, நீங்க எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்ணும்போது தான் உங்களுக்கு அந்த வேல்யூ வரும். ஓகே, இப்ப நான் எவ்வளவு வேணாலும் சொல்லலாம், 2 hours கூட நான் பேசிக்கிட்டே இருப்பேன், ஆசனா பத்தி பேசிட்டே இருக்கலாம், புக் பத்தியும் பேசிட்டே இருக்கலாம். ஆனா if you don't experience yourself, there will be, you won't know, there will be like, you won't really understand, or you really don't know. என்ன சொல்லிட்டே இருக்காங்க, ஆனா we don't understand, அப்படி ஆயிரும். ஓகே, அவர் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காரு, என்னது, ஒருத்தவங்க வந்து லண்டனுக்கு போக ஆசைப்பட்டாங்க. ஓகே, இது வந்து சொந்தோ, இந்த லூக்கா லண்டனுக்கு போக ஆசைப்பட்டாங்க. ஓகே, ஆனா லண்டன் போனவங்கள்ட்ட வந்து கேக்குறாங்க, இப்படி லண்டன் எப்படி இருக்கும், இப்படி இருக்கும், அப்படி இருக்கும்னு போனவங்க தான் சொல்றாங்க இவங்கள்ட்ட. இவங்களும் ஓ லண்டன் இப்படி இருக்கும், அப்படி இருக்கும். ஓகே ஓகே, பட் த பர்சன் டிடன்ட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் how லண்டன் எப்படி இருக்கும்னு. திஸ் பர்சன் did. Okay, let's say I want to go London and I'm asking you, okay, how is London, how is the climate, என்னென்ன இருக்கும் அங்க அப்படி நான் கேட்டு நான் மட்டும் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன்னா, it's not my experience. You are sharing your experience, but it's not my experience. The same thing, I am sharing my experience, but for you to actually get your own experience, you have to venture yourself. It's reading இருக்கட்டும், practice இருக்கட்டும், என்ன வேணாலும் இருக்கட்டும், can be anything. If a dream that you want to achieve also, you have to work on it to achieve your dream. Okay, if you just talking about it, talking, but if you don't work on it, you can't achieve. It's the same thing. If I want to do headstand, I've thought headstand yesterday, I want to do headstand சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருந்தா headstand வராது, செய்யத்தான் headstand வரும், அந்த மாதிரி. Okay, it's just a chontoa. With that, we will go into today's asana. Are we all okay? Any questions to ask? You type if you want to ask any questions. Okay, I know my
Malini, I just wanted to make sure the video is lagging, yes.
Okay. All right, let's go. Okay, before we start, I told that I will teach Chaduranga today. I will teach Chaduranga today. That's what I will teach Chaduranga today. Okay. Chaduranga சரிங்களா? Okay? Okay, நான் ரொம்ப நேரம் செஞ்சுட்டு அப்புறம் தாங்க. Okay, we'll go Chaduranga. Okay, for those who are new and who haven't unlocked Chaduranga, from here, mountain, okay, you will drop your knee down. Okay, starting, and then you will see from here, you will move forward and drop your chest down. Look forward. See, do not go like this. Open up your chest. Can you see? Do not go like this. இதை நீங்க pick up பண்ணோனே நீங்க கீழே போயிடுவீங்க. Okay, so again I'm showing from mountain or downward facing. For mountain or downward facing, you drop your knee down. Okay, and then from here you go slightly forward and drop your shoulder, drop your chest down. When you're dropping your chest, do not open like this. See, இப்படி திறக்காது. When you open like this, you will definitely fall on your face. Okay, elbow should be coming this way. You all can try now. Your elbow should be coming this way, not this way. வெளியே திறக்கூடாது, but உள்ளுக்கு போகணும். Go forward and then go. From here, முதல் இப்படி hold பண்ணுங்க. After you get strength, you can carry up. Chaduranga. And then upward facing. Okay? Okay. For those who can go Chaduranga, you go. And then look up. Hold. And then come up. And then go down. Okay, come. Chaduranga first. We do Chaduranga today. Come. Okay, Chaduranga. Those who cannot do, do the first one. Drop your knee down. Bring your chest forward. Elbow will go this way. See, elbow won't open like this. Elbow will go this way. Come. Okay. Exhale down Chaduranga and you inhale, exhale. Chest up. Anusila, chest up. Rajesh K, hip down. Tasha and Avanisha, hold Chaduranga. Punesh, you do half. You do half. Only half sing. And the knee down sing. See, knee down. Elbow வந்து கீழே போக கூடாது. Elbow மேல இருக்கணும். This one will be pointing up. See, elbow is pointing upwards. Okay, Miss Revati, you can hold Chaduranga. You are holding it. And all can hold Chaduranga. Go. Those who can. 1. This is Chaduranga. Those who can't, drop your knee down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Calm down. Okay. Are we all okay? Everyone can. All okay, Chaduranga? All okay, Any question on Chaduranga? I will send the video also in the group. There's a video in YouTube that I've taught Chaduranga. Okay? I will send in the group also. Okay. My line breaking, right? My line is breaking. Yeah, my voice can hear, right? My video only lagging, but my voice can hear. Amava. Okay, the first one. See, today flow now over asanavu over flow. Okay. From mountain, right leg forward. Okay. Chest up. Cup your fingers on your toes, on your not leg, on your toes, and then look up. Okay. If you can touch, then you touch, but chest up. Chest must be up. Okay, and then look up. Okay. After this, 8 counts. Go up, and then you bring your left leg, and then bring hand inside, and then look up. Okay. Go back. Stay. Go back, mountain, stay. After that, come. Okay, I think better. Okay, go mountain. Right leg forward. Okay, hands inside. Chest up on your toes. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Good. Good, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go mountain, left leg. Go mountain and go left leg. Okay, knees straight, back knees straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go mountain. Go mountain, stay. Okay, from here, I want you to go knee down, chest down, chin down. Hold your breath. And inhale, exhale. On your toes, on your toes. On your toes, on your toes. Okay? Stay here. 1. Shallow. Knee down. Come. Keep up. On your, yes. Palm down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come all the way. Cobra. Straight elbow. Straight elbow. Straight elbow. Up. கை இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் உள்ள கொண்டு வாங்க. நீங்க கொடுங்க. Hand Turkesh, கை இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் yes. கை உள்ளுக்கு. Straight. 1. Look up. 2. Correct. All doing right. Correct. Good. 3, 4. Don't squeeze. Kumu, don't squeeze your this one. You're doing this. Release this. Yes. Look up. Push. 3. Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go child pose. Yes, sit on child pose. Slowly come up. On your squat. Go squat. Get the child pose in the squat. And push. This one. Do this. And push. Look up. Spine straight. Okay, do this. Okay. See, this elbow must push this. This must push. So not இப்படி இல்ல. First push, spine straight. Go 1, 2, 3. Yes, correct. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up straight. Come straight up. Yes, straight up. Right leg forward. Bring right leg forward. And then here, do this one. See, knee straight with the ankle. Okay. Turn your back leg up. Yes. And then do this. Turn your back leg. Now you turn your back leg. Will be on your toes. Spine straight. Go 1, 2, lower. Go lower. Okay. 3, back leg straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come up slowly. Straighten. Now from here you go front leg. Now you go up like this on your heel and you go down. Stay here on your heel. See, on your heel. Okay, right leg heel. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knee straight, knee straight. Knee must be straight. Look down. 4. Both knees must be straight. Kumu, too much already. Open too much already. 5. Shoba, knee straight. 6, 7, 8. Switch leg. Come on. Yes. Now left leg forward. Left leg forward. Yes. Switch leg, left leg forward. Do this. Back leg up. Back leg up. Chest projected up. Go as lower. See, do not bend your knee like this. Back knee straight. Up. Stretch it out. 2, 3. பின்னாடி கால் தூக்கி இருக்கணும். Paramesh பின்னாடி கால் பாருங்க தூக்கல. On your toes. Be on your toes. You have to open up some more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come forward. Yes. Go forward. Heel. On your heel. Yes. On your heel. Front leg forward. Front leg on your heel. Knee straight. Yes. 1. Turkesh ரொம்ப சின்னதா தந்திருக்கீங்க. அதனால தான் கேள்விக்கணும். Yes. 2, 3, 4. Try to reach your knee if you can. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come up. Come up slowly. Now legs together. From here you will go up. From here you go up. Straight. 5 counts. You come up. Go front. Okay? Can I? திருப்பி செய்றேன். You go up. Straight. 5 counts. You come up and you go forward. Come. Right leg. Okay. மொத போங்க. Right leg பின்னாடி கொண்டு போங்க மொத. கை பின்னாடி கை முன்னுக்கு கால் பின்னாடி. Okay, lower. Like a T. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Look up. Why are you looking down? 4. Hands together. 5. Kay straight. Okay, come up. Front leg. Right leg front. கால் கீழே வைக்க கூடாது. ஏன் லெஃப்ட் லெக் சரிங்க. ரைட் லெக். Right leg, right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now switch leg. Left leg you bring. Left leg you bring back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly. Don't bring down. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Calm down. Are you okay? Yes, good. Okay. Now from here, you bring up. 5 counts. And then you go down. Stay here. 5 counts. Okay, right leg. Okay, again, here 5 counts. Slowly go down. Go down. 5 counts. Come. 5 counts. Natarajasana, go. Yes. Right leg. 1. Yes. Higher. Leg higher. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bring left leg down. Yes. Yes, correct. Go 1. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay. அந்த ரைட் ஹேண்ட் கையை எடுத்துருங்க. நீ ஸ்ட்ரைட் ஆக்குங்க. பின்னாடி இருக்கால நீ ஸ்ட்ரைட் ஆக்குங்க. Yes. Both hands down. It's okay. Both hands can be down. Okay. Higher. Legs higher. 1, 2, 3. Good. Everyone doing good. 4, 5, 6. Higher. Leg higher. 7, 8. Calm down. Switch leg. Come. இல்ல மேல வாங்க. Natarajasana first. Switch leg Natarajasana first. Go here first, Go 1. Knees straight. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now go down. Yes. Good. 1, 2. Knee straight. கீழே கால் straight இருக்கணும். 2, 3, 4, 5. Now both hands down. Straighten up the leg. Back leg straighten up. பின்னாடி கொஞ்சம் straighten up. Yes. 1. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Calm down. Okay. Last one. Happy ஆயிடுவீங்க. Last one. Okay. Mountain. Okay. Right leg up. Straight. Drop. எந்த கால் drop பண்றீங்களோ அந்த கால் வந்து bend பண்ணிருக்கோம். Stay here 8 counts. Come back. இந்த கால் மேல இருக்குல. Bring it to the side and hold it. Okay, I will do this way. Okay, you go right leg up, drop. See, in the color drop, right leg up, so right leg is bent. Open up, 8 counts. Come back, right leg up, down, and then hold it using your left hand. Okay, building strength. 8 counts, and then go mountain. Okay, come. Miss Radha, mudva singa. Miss Radha, do slowly. Okay, do as much as you can. 8 counts வரைக்கும் wait பண்ண தேவையில்ல. நீங்க எவ்வளவு முடியுமோ அது செய்யுங்க. நீங்க மெதுவா செய்யுங்க. Others all can do. Come. Others all can do. Okay. Mountain length. Okay, start with mountain. Mountain, right leg up straight. Right leg up straight. Okay, turn the other side. Chamatkarasana, this one. Illa, wrong. Enna pandreenga? Right leg drop this side. Where's your right leg? That's your left leg.
Malini, I'll
Okay.
be watching first.
Okay, look up. 1, push your hip up. 2, drop. Look up. 3, performance செஞ்சீங்க மறந்துட்டீங்களா? 5, 6, Kumu drop. Yes, correct, Kumu. Look up. Yes. Look up. 7, coba. 8, come mountain. Come back mountain. Right leg உள்ளுக்கு எடுத்துட்டு. Yes. Right leg. Yes. Left hand hold your right toe. Straighten up your leg. Straighten. Good, Kale. Good. Straighten up your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, Agila, wrong. 6. Right leg, left hand. 7, 8. Go mountain. Stay mountain. Okay. Tasha, Vinisha, don't play. Left leg up, straight knee. Drop your left leg. ஒரே விளையாட்டு தாஷா கவினிஷேக்கும். See, எந்த கால drop பண்றீங்களோ அந்த கால தான் bend பண்ணிருக்கணும். எந்த கால drop பண்றீங்களோ see ரோகிணி சார் wrong. 1, 2, எந்த கால drop. So now left leg must be bent. Left leg bent. The left knee bent. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now bring it back inside. Now left leg வந்து right hand side போய் right hand holding left leg. Good, Meghna, good. Meghna, good. Menaga, good. Okay. Good, correct. 1, good. Gayatri, good. 2, Mistila, good. 3, 4, Turkesh, good. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go down, child pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly come up. Done. Drink some water. We will see Kapalabhati breathing today. Okay, we will recall Kapalabhati breathing. Okay. All okay. Last one. Good one. Vinisha, ரொம்ப naughty, Okay. Drink some water, wipe your face, sit on your mat, sit up straight. Okay, we will see Kapalabhati breathing. Yeah, teach you, but we will recall again. Okay. நான் முதல்ல வெளியாயிட்டு வந்திருக்கணும் நினைக்கிறேன். Now line is okay. Okay, you will be sitting in any comfortable position. Okay, you can sit in any comfortable position. Okay. In a half, you can sit in half Padmasana. This is half Padmasana, half lotus, or you can sit in full lotus. Okay, this is Padmasana, lotus pose, or you can sit normal Sukhasana. Okay. Spine straight. Okay, do not lean in on anything. Okay, this is actually very easy. This is on இது வந்து ஒரு cleansing breathing கூட சொல்லலாம். Okay, நார்மலா வந்து ஜல நெட்டி செஞ்சுட்டு இது செய்வாங்க. Okay, I'll speak about jala neti one day. Okay, you'll inhale through your nose, stomach expand. Stomach வந்து வெளியே வரும். You can feel கை இது வச்சுக்கலாம். Inhale, stomach out. Exhale, rapid. See, rapid exhalation. Okay, so there will be rapid exhalation போது passive inhalation இருக்கும். Okay, நான் சொல்லிருக்கேன். You will inhale, stomach expand. Exhale. Try 15 exhalation, rapid exhalation. You can close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Exhalation. Okay, try. Come. You all understand, right? You all understand? Okay. Okay. Kale, don't do Kale. Others can do. Come. Kale, muduva செய்யுங்க. Don't. Others all can do. Come. Inhale. Right hand வயித்துல வச்சுக்கோங்க. Right hand. Exhale. Rapid. Miss Radha முதுவா செய்யுங்க. Slow. Slow. Miss Radha இப்படி செய்யுங்க. So, exhale இது பண்ணும்போது exhale பண்ணும்போது வயிறு வந்து உள்ளுக்கு போகும். Like இப்படி போகும். You can see. See, it will go. So, it's going inside, right? அந்த மாதிரி. Okay, that's how it goes. Okay, exhalation. Inhale வந்து வெளியே வரும். Exhale வந்து. Okay, come do once again. Inhale. Exhale. Miss Radha, do slowly. வேகமா செய்ய வேணாம். முதுவா செய்யுங்க. இன்னும் முதுவா செய்யுங்க மிஸ் ராதா. இல்ல மத்தவங்களும் செய்யலாம். மிஸ் ராதா மட்டும் தான். மத்தவங்களும் வேகமா செய்யலாம். மத்தவங்களும் வேகமா செய்யுங்க. Rapid exhalation. Only Miss Radha do slow. சசிகலா wrong. Exhale. நீங்க inhale பண்றீங்க. Exhale only. Passive inhalation. You won't feel the inhalation. I can hear your inhalation. இங்க இருக்கறனால I can hear her inhalation. Only exhalation. You only will feel your exhalation. You won't. இப்படி செய்ய மாட்டீங்க. இப்படி செய்ய மாட்டீங்க. நீங்க அது செய்றீங்க. அப்ப சரிங்க தானே? இன்ஹேல் பண்ணக்கூடாது. இது செய்யக்கூடாது. எக்ஸேல் மட்டும்தான். அல்ல மிஸ் ராதாக்கு மட்டும்தான் நான் வந்து அது சொன்னேன். although see when it's although slow, there's no inhalation. There's only exhalation. Okay, try 15 times. It's like there's retention when you pause, but அதுங்க passive inhalation இருக்கு. Okay, come one more time, one last time. We try. Inhale, exhale. Everyone do rapidly. வேகமா செய்யுங்க. இல்ல 13 தான் செஞ்சீங்க. 15 exhalation. Okay, all right, that's it for today. Kumu, are you okay? Okay na? மண்டை சுத்துதா? Yes. Okay, yes. When you do, okay. இது because நான் இது ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருக்கிறதுனால நான் overlooked it. Yes, when you do rapidly, you'll feel dizzy. Okay, இது யார் செஞ்சதுலயோ you'll feel a bit dizzy. ரொம்ப செய்யாம செஞ்சா கூட you feel burning a bit. Yes, because you are exhaling out. Okay, it's okay, it's normal. You can go child pose. Okay, if you feel dizzy. Okay, you can read this on my Insta. I'll post la. I'll share my Instagram post on the Kapalabadhiyoda benefit. யார் செய்யலாம் யார் செய்யக்கூடாதுன்னு அனுப்பியிருக்கேன். போட்டிருக்கேன். I will share this. So there's two things to share. One is the Chaturanga video I will share, and also the this Kapalabadhiyoda benefit. How to do. Okay, அது வந்து short video. Yes, Miss Rajesh, சொல்லுங்க. இன்னொன்னு என்ன இருக்கு? Book. Okay. Yes, okay. Autobiography by Yogi. Good. Thank you. Okay, with that, we end our session today. Thank you so much. I'll see you all next month. Okay, there's no class on Saturday, so I'll see you all next month. If you have any questions, anything, you just can WhatsApp me. Okay, take care, stay safe, stay blessed. Love you all.
Friday and the Yogi introduction.